dark predictions for the stock market, I want to go on record as saying that we are about to have a serious correction. That's what I'm going to call this, okay? You're looking at the NASDAQ behind me, and we're going to talk about this. I really want to talk about this and try to give you evidence and maybe even advice on how you could potentially benefit from this, okay? Okay, but first I'm going to show you the Dow. This is the Dow Jones, okay? Pay attention. And this is the S&P 500. Pay attention, this is important, okay? Because we talked about this before on my channel, but there's something called, I don't know what just happened there. We talked about this before, but there's this chart called market psychology. This is how the markets go over time. And we, I believe, right now are in euphoria, and I'll tell you why. And this will make sense to you if you're paying attention. Ask anyone around you, what do you think about putting all my money in the stock market? Oh, that's a great idea. It's only going up and up and up. It only goes up. It only goes up. Everyone's saying it only goes up. The news say it only goes up. Everyone, like, there was just a tiny little dip, and well, actually, I think this is where we are now. We're right here. We've actually, like, this has started. You guys don't realize yet, okay? But you're going to see this very soon. And you're going to notice that the pizza boys saying that they're just maxed out their credit card to put it in on the dip here because it always goes up. It's always going to go up. Now, after looking at that chart, what do you think? Does that look like euphoria? Does it sound like euphoria? When you scroll around, does it sound like euphoria? Everyone's, you put your money here, put your money here. This is going up. Everything's going up, right? And again, I'm going to show you this. But guys, I'm on record. June 14th, the markets look like this, 2026. And I'm telling you that we are in for a wild ride down that could take potentially a year or more going down. Okay? It's not just instantly straight down. It'll just trickle down slowly, or maybe fast. But guys, if you were around back during this bubble, that was the 2000 dot-com bubble. And if you could zoom in on that. So this is the dot-com bubble zoomed in. And as you can see, we're in a very similar situation if you ignore this. And people thought, oh my God, this is it. Invest everything into the internet and .com. And then it crashed like this, had some bounces. And look how long that took. 2000 to 2010. 10 years of chop and 10 years of going down. Okay? Remember, the second that everyone thinks it's going up forever, look back long enough, it goes up. It just always goes up. Every dip it goes up. You're getting more and more and more into euphoria. Okay? And I want to be one of the only voices of reason while you're in the middle of this euphoria saying, hey guys, hey, whoa, hey, things don't go up forever. Remember, I warned you guys literally the day gold and silver crashed. I called that at the very top. I called Bitcoin at the very top. I'm calling this whole market, NASDAQ, S&P, Dow, all in euphoria right now. And the major companies in there, if you break them down, like Apple, Google, Microsoft, whatever, Nvidia, go and look at their charts. Their charts are starting to dribble, trickle. They're starting to sell off. So anyway, I know, but here's even more proof. You want more proof? Everyone comment how you feel about the stock market right now. Are we just in a dip? Is this time a good time to buy? And watch the overwhelming majority say like, no, bro, you're completely wrong. It's going to go up forever. That is the indicator, guys. Especially when you got children giving advice. You got 14-year-olds, 18-year-olds all over TikTok giving advice. Say, buy this one, buy that. Everyone's euphoric right now. Everything's going to go up forever. Meanwhile, we have like WW in the background and one false move, guys, and we'll be consolidating for up to 10 years. So of course, not financial advice at all. Go ahead and buy the dip if that's what you think, because you might end up being holding. If you want to hold for 10 years, 15 years, you'll eventually probably come back up. Yeah, you're right. Long term, it'll probably be all right. Yeah. If you really want to hold, 10 years, I don't know. I'm not telling you what to do. I want to be on record saying June 14th, 2026, this guy was here. And these were the prices. S&P, 7431. Dow Jones, 51200. NASDAQ, 25888. And I'm telling you, in my prediction, we are entering the final stage of this bubble, the AI bubble. Okay, I'm just letting you know. And history doesn't repeat, but it rhymes. So if it's anything like this, maybe we will get a violent sell off, followed by some recovery, some more sell offs, and a decade of time to recover. I don't know, guys. Let's find out. Let me know, because I'm actually very, very interested in where you think we are right here, and if you actually think that we're just going to go up forever. Do you think we're going to go up forever? Are we here? Are we here? Are we starting to get concerned? We're definitely not here. I'll tell you that right now. So, where are we, folks? I want to know. I really, really, really want to know. I'm going to read all your comments, so let me know.